Go ahead.
Really?
Yep. What the fuck was that? Alright, got it. Yep. Yeah. Hey, what's up, brothers? Go, go. Go? Yeah. There we go. Let me know, you got a good shot, everybody? Yep. Yeah. Go. How are you doing today, sir? I am sorry about that. You have a wonderful day. You good? Yeah. Shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah. That was awesome.
I missed it. I want to see it.
How we doing? Check it out on YouTube. Sorry about that.
Like that shit.
Check it out on YouTube, alright? I'll be up in a couple days. Do it. Halo Reach is coming out tonight.
Hey, dude, you see those bikers?
Hold on. Yeah.
Get these bikers.
Wow. And go. Oh my god, go, go, go. Oh god, he's. Oh shit. Go. Go. How's that for a hawk? Go. Go, boss.
Oh my god.
Sorry about that. Go. Let me blow the horn now. Horn. Go. How we doing today, sir? I'm sorry about that, sir. Finger slip. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. Go. Go. Go.
Good?
Yeah, go. That was worth it. Sorry. Sorry about that. Go, boss.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Holy fuck!
Hey, sir, calm down, alright?
Don't fucking tell me to calm down, bitch!
You know what?
What?
Hey, go make me some tamales, alright?
How about you stick it up your ass?
Go, yeah. Yep. You see his face? Yeah. Go ahead. Told you. Yeah. Go.
Right in the middle of the headlights, right?
I'm ready.
I don't know where it came from. You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
They get these dudes right here, right?
And go.
Shit, motherfucker.
Stop moving. Stop right. Alright, go ahead. Yeah. Get away from this car. Yeah.
How do you do it?
Yeah, they put everything on the TV.
Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! Man, I have a seizure!
That was pretty funny.
Alright, take it easy, Justin Bieber's. Alright.
Go, go, go.
Never say never.
Snorlax right here. Go, go, go. Oprah Winfrey. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
I bet.
Go. Yep.
How are you doing in the Jeep? I like those glasses, man. Nice purple glasses. How are you doing? How are you doing today, sir? I love your golf skills, sir. How are you doing today, sir? You like that, sir? Hey, sir, was that pretty loud? Did we scare you? All right.
Put the camera.
Go. Go.
Sorry about that, guys. You have a nice evening.
I'm good whenever you want. Mom, she put this on. Go. Still go? Yeah.
What was that?
Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, brother? I'm stopped, motherfucker. No, come over here. That's where I'm going, bitch. You want to talk shit? Come over here.
Go, go,